It's a new year, new you. If you want a wider smile and want to save some money, this is for you. Hi guys! So I am Tiwa Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film reviews, DIYs, anything that I want to film, whatever I'm feeling for the day. So today I wanted to film a video on how I whiten my teeth. I don't want anyone to think that they are not good looking or need to whiten their teeth. I just find that a lot of people ask about teeth whitening in general in life. I know a lot of the whitening products that celebrities endorse on Instagram or people who talk about them on YouTube, they are a little bit more pricey even with a discount code and everything like this, and I find this solution to be much more cost effective, and I feel like it works just the same. And take this from me, I have been a teeth whitening junkie before. I used to be really obsessed with whitening my teeth. I have used a ton of products and I honestly didn't really have a lot of tooth sensitivity at first, and then I used the Crest White strips, and Lord, let me tell you, the pain that I got from those was undescribable. And if you have whitened your teeth before and have felt that, you know what I'm talking about. I have found this whitening treatment or process to be a lot less harsh on your mouth, and I feel like I get pretty good results from it, and it is very wallet friendly. So I feel like I talked a lot, so if you guys want to know what I use to whiten my teeth, keep watching and we will just get started in the video. So first, I would like to talk about preventative whitening or everyday whitening. So this is something that you can do every day to help extend the life of your whitening treatments, and if you don't end up buying the whitening treatments, you can just use this every day and it'll just keep working and whiten your smile as time goes on. So I use the Colgate Optic White line. So this toothpaste is like squeezed till its life is gone. I just use this to whiten my teeth naturally. Is it natural? Whiten my teeth every day. So I just use this day and night, and I like this a lot. And in conjunction with that, I use the Colgate Optic White High Impact White Whitening Rinse. I talked about this in my favorites for 2017. I need to go buy another bottle of this. This thing is like empty, so that's not good. But this is not a mouthwash like a Listerine wash per se. You can use that too. Who's texting me? So I use this rinse after I brush my teeth day and night to really help get the stains off of my teeth. I find that it really helps a lot, especially with me. I drink a lot of coffee and a lot of tea and other things like that. Also, foods can stain your teeth a lot, like pasta sauce. If you notice, if you cook with it and it stains your spoons that you cook with, like the stirring spoons, it's probably staining your teeth too. So I feel like it really just helps to remove harder stains that when you're brushing your teeth, this just helps. These two together are a match made in heaven. This is the whitening product that I use. So this is the Luster Premium White. I don't even know what it's called anymore, but it's at Walmart, and I swear this is like $10 or less. I don't remember. It's a two-step system. There's no strips. There's no like yucky trays and things like that. So basically it comes with this neutralizing cleanser, and you just take like a tablespoon of it. Is it a tablespoon or a teaspoon? Read the directions, friends. But you just take a little bit of this in a cup and swish it around. This just helps get your mouth ready for the whitening serum, and it just gets all the gunk off your teeth and just neutralizes your mouth. So this is the correct whitening serum. It is a pen. I will open it up for you. So it just has a brush tip like this, and all the whitening gel power is in here, and you squeeze it and you just brush it on your teeth. You wait like 30 seconds, and then you can close your mouth and go on with your day like you didn't put anything on your teeth. Or you can keep repeating the steps until all the treatments are done, and you just go back and do the rinse, serum, rinse, serum, rinse. So that is all that I do for my whitening routine. I don't know if this is a shorter video, but honestly, it's very minimal steps It's very cost effective. I feel like it actually works for a cheaper price, and you can find it at Walmart. So I feel like a lot of people have Walmarts near them. You don't have to order anything online. You can go to Walmart and buy it and call it a day. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! So today I wanted to film my video. What am I saying? Also, that was very rude. Also, I am sweating balls in my house even though it's like negative 14 degrees outside. That truck needs to go away. Okay.